If you're brand new, no followers, no experience, no skills, this is going to be one of the best ways to start making $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Stay tuned. What is up, digital warriors? Andrew here, your passive income warrior, back with another epic video for you guys. And in this one, I'm going to show you one of the best ways that you can start making $100 online as a brand new beginner and keep building the passive income. Just like the people in our Facebook group who are posting testimonials all the time. For example, Christian just made $486 following this exact method. Or Susan, who's getting a ton of leads and sales around the clock. Or you can get results like John, who made $377 plus $283 in under 2 weeks. The method I'm talking about is promoting softwares. Why does this method work so well? Because people need softwares for all kinds of stuff. You need to create a video, you need a software for that. You need to create and grow an email list. You need an email responder software. You need to build a funnel. You need the funnel builder software. And the list goes on and on and on. Another reason why softwares are great to promote is because most of them have a monthly subscription. What does that mean? That means if you get someone to sign in, you will get paid month after month for as long as they use the program. And that is how you create passive income. If, for example, the program costs $50 per month and you get 10 people to sign in, you get $500 each and every month from those 10 people. If you get 20 people to sign in, that's $1,000 a month, and it keeps adding up. So you can see how powerful this method is. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use the program I'm promoting so you can understand what I'm talking about. I'm going to show you what I'm promoting and why I'm promoting that specific one so you'll know what to look for when you pick your own software to promote. But first of all, how do you even find these softwares? I'm going to show you right now. Now, if you go to Google and you type in Capterra, and click on the first result right here, you will land on this website. Now, Capterra has a ton of softwares for you to choose. If you go to software categories and you select browse all, you will find a bunch of categories here, guys. I mean a ton of softwares. And these are just categories. Inside each category, there's a bunch of softwares, and the list goes on and on and on. Now, you will choose a software from here. Let's say you want to promote an email marketing software. Now, as you can see, you will never run out. This is just one category, guys. Now, this is what you're going to do. Let's go with GetResponse. We're going to click visit website, and we're going to scroll all the way down, get to the last section, and we're going to look if they had an affiliate program. There it is, affiliate programs. That means you can sign up, promote this software as an affiliate. You will get your affiliate link. You're going to promote that. I'll show you how to do that. And if people sign up under you, you will get a commission. Now, it's very important that you choose a great software, because like everything else out there, there are some crappy ones. You don't want to promote that. You want to promote something that you're using or other people are using, so you know that you promoted something real good, something legit with great value to other people. Well, the program I'm promoting is Builderall, and let me show you why. And it's the best program out there, in my opinion, especially for people in my niche, the make money online niche. I mean, look at this. You go to apps, you have a website builder, a funnel builder, you have an email autoresponder, website chatbot, SMS messaging, script generator. You have at least 30 apps here. You don't need to go to software to build your funnel. You don't need to go to another one to build your email list. You don't need somewhere else to go to buy a domain. You can do it right here. Everything you need is under one roof, and people love that. I know this software is amazing because I'm using it for a long time. Now, another reason I'm choosing to use and promote this software is because of the price. Because let's face it, people want as many tools as possible in the cheapest price possible. Now, currently have the premium plan, which is under $80. Now, let's compare that with some other softwares out there. Now, if you go to ClickFunnels, for example, which is one of the most known funnel builders out there, their basic plan is $97 a month. Their platinum is almost $300 a month. And that is just a funnel builder. Now, if you go to Aweber, which is an email autoresponder software, you get $20 per month, but it's up to 500 subscribers. If you go above that, the price goes up, $30. If you get more than that, it's $50, and this goes up to $150 per month. But with the email autoresponder you have inside Builderall, which is Mailing Boss, you get unlimited emails for just that one price. Plus, you have all these other tools to work with. Now, the third and final thing you need to know when you're promoting software is how much you can earn from it. Because we're not only using this, but we're promoting it, we're making money, and we're creating that passive income. Let me show you what I'm talking about. For example, builders commissions go like this. On your first sale, you made 100% of the commissions. After that, you will get 30% of whatever the customer paid for as long as they use the platform. Now, in addition to that, if the person you signed up brings in another person under him, you will get 30% commissions out of that. This is not multiple level, guys. It's just those 2 levels, but it's very important to understand that inside this software, you get paid for other people's work. Let me show you what I mean. Now, this is a calculator inside the Builder affiliate program. Now, take a look at this. How many sales can you make in a year? Let's take small numbers here. Let's say you can sign up 50 people per year. Notice the price prediction over here. How many affiliates can you bring in a year? Let's say half of them, that's 25, sign up as an affiliate. And from those 25, each of them makes just 5 sales per year. That's 3,300 euros in recurring commissions each and every month for you. And that's in euros, guys. If you convert it to dollars, it's much more. So you can see how profitable this method is. So let's recap here. When you're promoting software, you need to know that it's of great value to people, you need it to be at an affordable price for you and your customers, and you need to know that it has a great affiliate program. Now, you don't need to promote Builder. You can go to Capterra, find a software, do your research, sign up and promote it. But if you want to give Builder a try, I have a bunch of bonuses for people in my team. All you have to do is click the link down in the description and shoot me an email at andrew@passiveincomewarriornow.com. Include your Builder ID, your email, and I'll make sure to send you your free bonuses. Now you know how to find the software and what to look for in order to promote it. The only thing you're missing is traffic. You need people to know that this software exists, that it's out there, and that it can help them. So you need to know how to promote it. Now, I'm not going to talk about Google Ads or YouTube ads. There's a ton of tutorials on YouTube about that, and the truth is they cost a lot of money. And usually if you're a beginner, you probably don't have much money to invest. So I'm going to show you a service I discovered very recently. It's extremely cheap. You're going to love this, guys. This is brand new and you will get buyers traffic for under $5. Let me show you. This is the Click Engine. This is a brand new service. It's created by Jeff Heyman. The guy is an amazing marketer and he's all about giving value at the cheapest price possible. I mean, look at this. It's under $5, guys, and you get real buyers traffic. I know this thing works because I'm using it myself. You can see a bunch of testimonials here from people who are using it, who are getting real results, and they have leads and sales coming in every single month. You will also get a bunch of bonuses, and the way this works is extremely simple. The only thing you have to do is sign up, grab your software affiliate link or whatever link you're promoting, and submit it to the Click Engine service. Jeff will take that link and he will put it on a rotator, which will get you buyers traffic month after month. The guy is updating this service all the time. He recently partnered with people and added 500 websites for us to get traffic from. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. Of course, this is so cheap because it's brand new. If you want to get it at this price, you need to act now. Once he has enough members, naturally the price will go up. So there you go, guys. Find an amazing software, promote it through the Click Engine service, and you will get amazing results. That's it for today, guys. If you found any value in this video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of the Warrior Clan and click that notification bell so you'll be the first one to know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.